Hey guys, today let's learn how to enable always on display on your iOS 17 softwares. Now, the always on display is going to be available on the settings over here. And I want you to go ahead and launch your settings and basically proceed with accessing. Over here, let's go ahead and then tap on the display and brightness tab. Now, your always on display should be located onto the bottom over here. Now, if in the case that you cannot see that option, this is because the always on display is only available for the latest iPhone models. So meaning I'm pretty sure that it's iPhone 14 and above. I'm not pretty sure with the iPhone 13 model, but I am pretty sure that iPhone X, 12, and iPhone 11, and basically everything below that does not have the always on display. So if you want to go ahead and enable always on display, firstly, you do need to have an updated and latest version of the iPhone model, and you also have to make sure that you have the latest version of the software installed. So if you do have an update like this on your software update, make sure that you update it to the latest version so that you could have, of course, the latest features and fix these minor bugs. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.